Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you El Derby Madrileno, UCL final of Real Madrid versus Atletico Madrid in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So before we start, I made this video is for beginner. You into this game, still confusing how you can complete the quest and challenge the event so you can get ton of reward from it. And let's get started by tap the play button, tap the live events, and this one, UEFA Champions League, tap. As you can see, there are some options here. There are 4 options total here. The main page, group stage, inform focus, and this one, the last one is Legend Club. So we are going to play this Legend Club as a Real Madrid. And in the first match, you are going to play Bayer Leverkusen. This is the 2001 to and 2002 final. You make sure you are win this match. And after that, we are going to play the second match versus Atletico Madrid in 2013 and 2014 final. Real Madrid faced their crosstown rivals, where they equalize in stoppage time and eventually lift their 10th UEFA Champions League trophy. So this is the real match. You can play this match. Let's get started by tapping play button here. So this is the final match between Real Madrid versus Atletico Madrid in UCL final stage. Let's get started because you are the opponent leading by 1. So you have to score the goal. Make sure you win this match. So you can unlock the progress of this Legend Club's feature in UCL live events. You have to pay patiently here, no need to rush. Because this game is, this stage is quite easy if you play patiently. So please free to try, challenge this event and get the rewards. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and so click the button below. Enjoy the game.